Okay guys, I'm going to pretty well, before we start the video, explain to you exactly what you need to do to convert your small block Chevy to from SI to CS alternators. CS alternators is a great upgrade. They're a lot better amperage and everything. This is actually for a 92 Suburban. It's 4-pin CS style alternator. As you will see on up in the video, I will show you the actual factory plug, what wires is which. You got a lamp wire, the red is the main power, and then you got the pretty well ECU wire that you don't use, you know. This is the factory plug from your SI. If you buy one of these converters, it will convert it. You get a resistor in them too. If you ain't running a lamp, you got to use a resistor to help these alternators last longer. But anyway, you can buy a little connector, or you can use a factory plug-in for a 92 Suburban, and wire, put your own resistor in it if you got a Radio Shack. Don't have one, so anyway, or use the lamp. But basically, you will be watching me install all this, so stay tuned. Okay, if that's all the information you needed, and you ain't gonna watch the video, I appreciate it if you do watch the video. But if you ain't gonna watch the video, at least drop a like, check the channel out, subscribe. I appreciate the support. So let's get started. Thank you for tuning in, guys, and today's episode is going to be pretty much how to convert your small block Chevy from SI to CS. This is actually a conversion lead, and all the stuff to it should be in the description below if you're looking for parts. And basically what this is the 4-pin plug right here, and it comes with a resistor. You can get these conversions right here with or without this. You need this if you ain't got the light, because this puts a kind of a takes the place of the light, you would say, your check light, your volt light, and you need this to basically help extend the life of your alternator. Yeah, but anyway, I just got this rigged up right here for now, just to move it. Yeah, don't mind my wire nuts here. And this is just a stock 4-pin connector. This is what my factory SI connector was. It was burned up. And before we even do this, you need to unhook your battery. So let's unhook this. Okay, now we can unplug it. Try to, just like so. Okay. So what we have here is the factory new connector. I bought this in just for now. This one, let's see if I remember this. This blue wire here is to the computer. Now you do got 4 pins. This one ain't used. That is kind of to a, you can actually hook a tack up to this. You have to make your own connector. They might actually sell them. But who uses a tack on the alternator? Don't know. And this is your gauge. Now if you just go to a AutoZone or Advance, you can pick this connector up for about $8, I think. And if you got a resistor, a Radio Shack or somewhere around, you could buy your resistor and just wire it in somewhere with the stock plug and probably be out, I don't know, maybe $10. But my town don't have a Radio Shack. Nope. So the only way you're gonna get a resistor is out of an old Nintendo or a TV or something electronic. So you can pick this connector up right here for around $12, I think, give or take. And I will show you exactly what that does right now. Anyway, here's the part numbers. This is the actual factory switch for SI. If you got that one, you know what that Looks like this was actually burned up on my truck. That's the reason I bought another one. My old alternator was overcharging. You can see the video on my channel. And this is the one, if you just want to make your own one of these. That's the part number. It come from AutoZone. Store last. It's for a 92 Suburban, basically. But the stock connector here will plug in just like so. Set this soldering iron where it won't fall off. You can set it like that. And I'm going to return this back to its proper box because we won't be needing that. This box will be fine for now. Might use that on something else one day. Might make an extra one of those. What we're going to be doing now is soldering the connections. This is the old wire. It was melted on my old plug-in. This big guy. There we go. Should be plenty. Soldering gun, actually. Now you can't mess these up. So the best way I found to do these joints is just like so. Before I even get started, I'm putting this. It will plug into the back of your alternator. So I found the plug in. And it snapped. Now we're good. Now you can pretty well tie this out of the way. I probably will zip tie mine down through here. Pretty much how you convert to SI to CS alternator is you get you one of these alternators right here. This is a CS. They come in actually I think 3 different versions. This is a direct bolt-on replacement. You don't have to change nothing. Part number is in the description. There's a video of me actually installing this. Now to hook it up, you can either buy your stock plug-in as you seen on the beginning of this video, and weld a resistor in it, or run a dash light. It's up to you. Or you can buy one of these converters that we just installed that plugs into your factory plug-in. So it's that simple. Let's go try it out. Okay guys, let's see if it works. Oh, better knock it out of gear. Here we go. Pump the gas one time. And we are charging actually. Can you see it? Can you see that? Never mind. Yeah, those don't work actually too good. Okay guys, we are charging 14 volts. Okay, we are charging. My headlights and everything is on. We are doing good. I still need to tie this up. Don't let it run a few minutes. Make sure everything's good. So guys, I shot most of this video with my GoPro. I'm sorry if it kind of got dark on you. I won't know till I get editing the video. Hopefully I can brighten it up for you. I hope you found it helpful if you watched all the way through. Thank you for watching. Be sure to drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and check my channel out for more content. Appreciate the support. Thank you.